Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, November 21st, day before Thanksgiving. We do got a short week this week, as I had mentioned on Monday. Markets obviously will be closed Thanksgiving. They'll be only open for a few hours Friday, but I won't be doing this report on Friday, as again, it's only going to be a couple hours open and doesn't seem to be worth everybody's time. Market, I don't think is really going to be a whole lot different on Friday, so. I'll be taking the day off and come back to you on Monday. Hope you guys got some great plans and hopefully everything goes well for you guys. So let's jump into it because we got such a short week. Everything is kind of congested into today. So instead of coming out tomorrow, we have the weekly jobless claims coming out today. We had 221,000 people apply for unemployment last week. Forecast supposed to be in the 215 range, but it actually went up a little bit to 224,000. Now we've been seeing this go up for the last few weeks. From being in the low twos to being in the teens, and now we're getting in the 20s. So we want to just keep an eye on this to see if this is going to be a trend that's forming here. That more people are applying for unemployment. Another item here is durable goods orders for the month of October. So in September it dropped 0.1%, and forecast is supposed to drop 3.4%, and it dropped a little further down to 4.4%. Now, when you take out the big items like transportation and defense, it dropped 0.5% in September, but in October it was pretty much at an unchanged level. There's really no big changes. So that kind of shows you how much these big ticket items can really move the numbers around here. We also got existing home sales. This is kind of important because the home builder confidence that came out earlier this week was a bit disappointing. So investors will be watching the home data on real estate. And in September, it was at 5.15 million annualized units, and forecast supposed to go up a little bit to 5.18 and exceed that a little bit to 5.22 million. So good news right there. We actually get some decent news in housing. Now we got consumer sentiment for the month of November. Excuse me, we had a 98.3 reading, and forecast supposed to remain at the same at 98.3, and it dropped a little bit down to 97.5. And last but not least, we had leading indicators for the month of October. So in September, it jumped up 0.6%. In October, it only jumped up 0.1%. So kind of still looking okay here. Obviously, a little bit of slowness, but we'll have to kind of wait and see how things project going forward, going into the new year. Right now, stock market's up. It's been taking quite a beating. Dow's dropped to like 1,000 points over a 2-day period, and but today it's kind of cashing in a bit. Now the stock prices are down, they're kind of cashing in while the prices are low. We got a lot of stuff going on here that's concerning. Some reports kind of nudged a little bit further down with corporate earnings, but overall economy here looks pretty good. But they are kind of looking at the future more or less and seeing that maybe they have peaked. So seems to be the sentiment where the stock market may have peaked and may not have continue, or chances of it continuing growing even further maybe maybe on the lesser side compared to with everything going on there with the Fed raising rates and everything. All right, so let's take a look here at the bond market. Bond market, we've been having these unchanged levels here last couple of days here, pretty much all week. We're like at almost like -2 or 0, and then late in the day it drops down to about 9 basis points. We did that 2 days in a row here, yesterday and the day before. And today we're still down a little bit further. We're up for the day, but we're still down about 2 basis points. So this could easily drop down a little bit further. And we're kind of in this range here, as you can see, this guy's calendar, that we're kind of in an overbought position here. And we are primed to maybe come down a little bit here. How much more is hard to say. We could be just this 25-day moving average. If this 25-day moving average holds up, it could help us out. And once we get down to this level here, maybe get a little bit another push upwards. But again, it's going to be hard to tell how much will come down a little bit. But chances are of us coming down are pretty good. Pricing is worse today. That's kind of what we're watching this for. Is interest rates have risen again, primarily because these days, beginning of the day they started, lenders may not have priced in for the worst. But today they definitely did price in if they didn't price in yesterday. And yields, here's the yields section. Again, this is kind of an oversold position here. And we touched off this floor of support as we've kind of tested it for a couple of those days there. And now we're up a little bit. We're up about 3.07 so far today, pushing 3.08. And again, we could be the yields continue to rise and the yields could push mortgage-backed securities down a little bit further, thus raising interest rates. All right, so that pretty much wraps things up. I hope you guys, again, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoy your time with your family. We have a lot to be thankful for. Again, we wish you guys the very best, and I look forward to see you guys on Monday. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.